Sylvia Arrington and welcome to Guide and Grow TV. In this video series, we're going to talk about child development and age-appropriate activities between each age group. So to start off with, 0 to 3 months. This is a whole new world. It's often characterized by the 4th trimester, meaning that it's the first transition they have from the womb into the real world. And it's characterized by a sense of basic trust, meaning that the environment and everything in it will respond to the child's needs. Also, you'll see that your child is at a stage of reflex actions. So a lot of their movements and actions are reflex actions, and then they'll turn into more purposeful movements as they grow. To start off with, we've got a Minari mobile. Now this characteristically is presented to an infant at approximately 3 to 6 weeks, and it's got the plastic or glass sphere. A lot of the geometric shapes contrast as well to really help your infant develop their visual sense. And as you can see, we've got it on a hanger, a mobile hanger that's not too cluttered, not too crowded. We've got a movement mat at the bottom here and also a mirror along the back. So later on, when your infant starts to lay on its side or on its tummy, it will have be able to see its reflection. And also you could use the mirror to place things like black and white contrast cards. So these are fantastic. They've got both black and white on each side, so you can alternate, and they come in a series of cards which you could just place along the mirror. Babies love to have a look at black and white visuals because that is actually the only colours that they can see at this age. So as their vision develops, so does their ability to see primary colours, and that happens in the next phase at 3 to 6 months. So having something like black and white cards is absolutely riveting for babies as their vision develops. So it goes from a slightly blurry vision to quite clear. And as they're on their stomach or on their side, you could place something like this, just standing up, so that your baby will be engaged. Next, we have things like grasping rattles. So there's a silver one here and it's got a sound. This is quite thin, so again, your baby's able to grasp onto that quite easily, or even just something like this. Now, of course, you have to remember when there are small parts on any item to make sure that they are secure and they are safe, of course. And when introducing rattles to babies, it is really important to just place them in the hand of the infant and see what they'll do. So automatically they have a reflex action to grasp onto what it is. And this is a handmade one, so it's nice and thin, really easy for a newborn to grip onto. And then as they slowly move their hand, they hear the sound, and then they'll start making a connection. And you'll see that the movements go from just a reflex action to something more purposeful. Down the bottom here, we've got the Gobby mobile. So after the Minari, we have the octahedron, which is the 3 primary colours, some really sharp edges, and they turn nice and slowly so that the infant can really start to engage in those mobiles. This is also another one in descending colour order. You can get them in blue, pink, green, and that's also can be hung. Now, mobiles should be hung 20 to 30 centimetres away from your infant's vision. So just make sure you can get some wall hangers, and also it should be done over a movement mat. So it's really important not to distract them while they're changing or sleeping in their sleeping area, because this way it will allow them to really engage in purposeful and yet meaningful engagement rather than being distracted with changing and sleeping. Now, those are moments where you can really connect with your child and use them as a way and means to have that contact with your newborn and really develop that relationship between the two of you. Also, something you could do is just a simple black and white book. So again, this is great for having a look at with your infant, and even just talking through and explaining the images will really create that bond between the two of you. And then we have something like this. It's just a crinkle paper. So you could just place that again in your newborn's hand and see if they just make any small slight movements with their hand to hear the sound. And once they make that connection, they'll then continue on. Last but not least, there's also this, which is called a puzzle ball. This will be used as the infant grows, but initially you could also hang that again as a mobile. So I hope that's helped with 0 to 3 months, and check out our next video. We'll be continuing with 3 to 6 months.